Today we want to look at gold analysis for the week, which is 26th to 30th of August. Okay, so just take note of that. Okay, yeah, so far we predicted the last week that we are going to have the market to go, but then it was here. Okay, so we knew that by the close of the week the market is going to come all the way to 2480, which is the support area. Okay, if you have not watched that, go and check it out, and so you can compare with this. So I told you guys that since there has been a breakout from 80, we are going to have it go up, and then it will come back to use 2480 as the support. And of course it did happen. Okay, and you know for sure, since I provide signals and I trade with you guys, okay, periodically I have to still analyze the market so we can look for better entry to take our trades. I do come live too, so coming live and the whole world is watching you. I mean, you want to be very tactful. So away from analyzing the market for the week, knowing that okay, by the close of the week definitely the market will come to this zone, okay, this support area, which is around 2480. Okay, nevertheless we want to still continue to trade, so that is what happened. So I drew this line, okay, this trend line, and then that trend line of course was also on the support. So this, the reason for which I requested that we go for the buy during the news was these are the factors, these are the reasons. Okay, so first we have support. Okay, we have our support in place. Okay, so all these things should let you know that this is a support area. Okay, there was a breakout, okay, which there should be this place should look like SBR, okay, but instead of the SBR, that one too was broken. So I knew, aside it broken this support, I mean this area, which should have been the resistance area. Okay, let me show you which should have been the resistance area. What simply means is that like it should have continued downward, because the market, there was a breakout. After the breakout, it will come and retest over here and continue to the downside, okay, which led a lot of people to go in for the sell during the news on Friday 23rd of August 2024. Okay, but that shouldn't be, that led a lot of people to blow their account or to lose their accounts. Okay, so this is it. So it didn't happen, but instead there was a breakout here. Okay, there was a breakout, and then after the breakout, you can also attest to the fact that I have my trend line. Okay, and the trend line was also compromised, or mean was broken. Okay, there was a breakout. I made a note. Okay, buy gold after breakout. Okay, ensure to see a retest before the buy. Okay, so after so this is it. I think this thing I did it live with those who were with me. So this, and then this is the retest, and then it started shooting up to the upward, okay, direction. So this is what really happened on Friday 23rd of August 2024. Okay, good. So just if you have not subscribed to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to it so that you get to know most of the things I'm sharing with you. Okay, and you basically learn few things. Okay, let's look at it from the bigger picture. So this, from the bigger picture, this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, now currently this is where we are. So let's look at it from where we have gotten to now. So the line, the trend line has been broken, and it is going upward direction. Often than not, anytime at all there's a breakout, the market tries its best to want to go vertically direction or go upward. Okay, if it breaks to the upward side, it means that it will take that direction, or it will take that format. Okay, meaning that the market will continue to buy to the upward direction. Okay, yes, so that is it. Now let's look at what I'm looking forward to see in the coming week. So first and foremost, that you can see that I have some support and resistance in place, okay, which this one. So going forward, we are going to make this so 2480 to 24.7. Let me check. Okay, 70, sorry. $24.70. Okay, so I wanted us to treat it as a zone. So this is what we should work with. Okay, we are working with this zone, okay, which is the support or buy zone. Okay, so this is the buy zone. Okay, and at the same time it is what? A support. Take note, it's a support. Okay, yeah, and that is this one. That is this line that you are seeing around. Okay, yeah. So guys, just take note of the figures I'm giving you. And with the resistance, okay, of course we are having to, can have this one too also over here. Okay, good. So we have the first one. Okay. So we are having this two resistance. Let me bring it down. It seems it's not touching. So let me just bring it down so that the touch will be complete. Okay, I can bring it body to body. Okay. Okay. So I want us to work with this right now. Okay, so we are having two resistance over here, and then we are also having two support. So let me also put this one too in place. This point is also a support. We reduce the size and look for, what is it, 95. Okay, so we work with 95. Okay, good. So we are working with 95 now, which is this area. Okay, and then this down one. So let me type the resistance here. We are dealing with 40 to 540. Okay, very necessary. Let's take note of the numbers I'm giving you. They are very key to me. I don't want a situation whereby it happens before we come and analyze. Let's analyze it. It happens, then we know that, oh, we both analyzed it together. Okay, and then this one we are looking at it from 13 to 20. Okay, so 13, 13, so let me make it 10 to 13. Let me look at it well. So 15 to 20, 15 to 20. Okay, so this is what we are working with so far. Okay, these are the key things I want us to work with so far. But the market is going to, in a way, consolidate around this area. Okay, so let's take note of. Let me take the path. So we are expecting maybe the market to, should it push to the upward direction, we expect this. And here too we are also looking forward for okay. And I've told you, okay, this is, we have two things here. Okay, we are having, the market can decide to, this is a support area, so there's a probability that when it gets here it would want to go up again. Then this area too. Okay, so we should take note of, we should take note of that. Okay, and we can still work with the information I have over here, this information, that if the market, so in this situation, if the market comes to that area, okay, so buy gold, let me type it well. Okay, so you can buy gold from buy gold at, so 20,495. So you can buy gold from here. Okay, yes, and then ensure to see a retest in the over here. So here what I will do is that we change sorry, just change this one. Okay, so you can decide to buy from here, right? So this is what we are going to work with, God willing, this week. Very necessary for us. Okay, but where it is, it's a key area, very necessary. Okay, so it's likely to, okay, I'm just taking account of the touches. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. So it's the touch, so that we have 3 touches. Okay, so of course it confirms that that area, okay, that zone is a resistance area, because anytime the market gets to that zone, the market tends to drop, okay, tends to drop. So it's very key to us to work with. Okay, very necessary to take note of. Okay, yeah, so these are the things we are going to work with. I am expecting the market, this one, all the way to 70. I said 70, so let's because the market, I'm saying 70 because in the past the market came there, okay, which is this one, in the course of the past week the market came, so it's likely that the market will come to that point. Okay, so that's why I have that in place. Okay, so we can look at it from all these things are to be taken into account, or you can decide to take this one out and still work with the zone. Okay, just the zone. Okay, yeah, work with the zone, which is this one. Okay, so you work with this information. Okay, yeah, so guys, this is typical picture I am going to work with in the course of the week. Okay, you are going to have this you are going to deal with this with it. You are going to work with this. Okay, and then at the same time you are going to work with this. Okay, so let's take note of what we have on the screen. Okay, because it looks like the market is ranging around this place. Okay, like the market is just ranging. Okay, so that is one thing I want you to note. So we should see it. If it breaks below any of this, then we know that, okay, this is what I simply means is that in case, let me take this one off. If anything, if there's any breakout, okay, then we wait for a retest and then we come all the way to this point. But in the meantime, this is what I am not expecting this to happen. Okay, but should anything happen, just, and we don't have enough, the high impact news are about 3 or 4. Okay, in the I mean, let's check it, okay, quickly. Okay, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4 of them. Okay, yes, so let's work with this information for now. Okay, yes, so guys, just take note. You can equally take your pen and then your note and take note of the information I'm giving you guys. Okay, very, very necessary. Okay, so this is what I'm going to work with. Okay, yeah, this is what we are going to work with. So thank you so much, guys. And if you are not following this page, I mean, it's not good. I expect that by now you a subscriber, you have to subscribe to this channel, okay, so that anytime at all I bring something which is worthwhile, which is going to add to your trading journey, why not? You're going to do well. You're going to do well. Do you understand? So let's subscribe to this. Anything you want me to also, those who have requested for me to teach them how to analyze the market, okay, especially with the technical analysis. Yes, I'm putting a thing together and I will do a video on that. You see, because in the course of the week we are working, okay, so it's the weekend that sometimes I squeeze time to do the videos here and there. So definitely I will carve out time to be able to come up with those videos. So if you also have anything you want me to do a video on, why not? You can write it under the comment section and then I will attend to you in due time, okay? But don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends who are equally traders, so they will have a clearer picture of how gold is operating, or it's the direction of the market actually. Is it okay? Yeah. So thank you so much. Yeah, it's the same thing. Okay, so we shall meet next time. And then tomorrow too, we are, if you want me to help you, whatever the situation, try to join my Telegram page too as well. So you get some free signals, and then anytime I come live, you'll benefit from my live trading too as well. Thank you.